What kind of damage did the storm do to the carpet?
Well,
He's growling at the ceiling fan.
The water in our buildings never reached our buildings because we were in an elevated part of the island. So we had no water damage whatsoever. There was some wind damage outside of the building to the vinyl, but that was it.
Okay. Do you have any? Was there water intrusion from the storm on the carpet?
Susan.
Okay.
People were in.
Where you at?
That's not my question. Was there water intrusion?
Where'd you go? White boy.
No, on the carpet. Was there damage?
Come here.
Well, that's what you testified. You said after Hurricane Sandy they had to replace.
Come here.
Anyway, so I'm asking you.
White boy. Come here.
I had an opportunity to interview for this amazing job, and I immediately thought Burlington. They have great suits, shoes, bags, everything I needed at a really good price. I saved so much on the suit, I went crazy and bought 3 outfits. I got my suit, and I got the job.
Come on, up. You don't like the fan today?
Plus, it's free to keep your number. Basic Talk. Call, click, or go to Family Dollar today.
Michael, where's your car?
At the body shop?
What happened?
Oh, just a little misunderstanding with a big truck.
Are you okay?
Oh, yeah, but I don't think our car insurance company likes us anymore.
Need car insurance? Go to thegeneral.com or call us now. Monthly payments are low, and you pick your due date.
Okay, I have flaws.
Get an anonymous online quote now. For a great low rate you can get online, go to the General and save some time.
The Activia Challenge.
You scared? It's okay. It's just a fan, baby. It's always on. Why are you scared of it today?
And yet another pile of clothes on my bed. So I'm taking the Activia Challenge.
Eating Activia twice a day for 4 weeks may help reduce the frequency of minor digestive issues like bloating, gas, discomfort, and rumbling.
When your tummy smiles, things just feel right. Join me and take the Activia Challenge.
It works or it's free.
Does your carpet ever feel rough and dirty? Don't avoid it. Resolve it. Our new formula with a special conditioning ingredient softens your carpet with every use. Because it's Resolve, you know it cleans and freshens, but now it also softens. So your carpet is always inviting. Resolve, a carpet that welcomes you.
About 27% of drivers admit to texting while driving. If you've been the victim of a distracted driver, call Broderson Law today at 401-228.
It's okay, buddy.
Don't be victimized a second time.
Not getting enough sleep.
It's time to wake up and get into Raymore and Flanagan.
Want mommy to turn it off?
Mattresses in the Northeast at the guaranteed lowest prices.
Guaranteed?
You want me to turn it off?
Queen sets start at just
Huh?
$3.99. Save $250 on Stearns & Foster, up to $500 on Beauty Rest Black.
With free financing, next day delivery, setup, and old mattress removal.
Wake up to a better day.
Make Raymore and Flanagan your
Okay.
destination. Meet your accident claim representative.
Can we hurry this along?
He doesn't like to talk about his job.
No.
Because his job is to deny you full compensation.
That's what we're here for.
Oh,
Such as
God.
paying you fully for your past, present, even future pain and suffering.
If we know that's not covered.
Maybe you should tell him you mean business. Call on the Hurtline, D'Oliveira and Associates, or visit any one of their 15 offices.
I hate those guys.
Oh, I think it's the shadow of the fan on the ceiling that you're scared of.
It seems like they're all the same.
You don't like the shadow?
The very first time you call, then try Amica.
There has to be something better. I'm starting to lose hope.
Don't be so dramatic.
Oh, go on, baby.
Catastrophe.
You just haven't
Oh,
called
good.
Our whole company is dedicated to great
So
customer
good.
service and helping you
See?
save money.
Mama turned it
For
off.
example, you can save up to 25% when you insure
So
more than
good.
one car with Amica.
I want a car insurance company that's always looking out for me.
We want special attention.
I want to feel the commitment, the dedication. But where are you
Oh,
going to
go
find
on.
somebody like that?
Hey, why don't you call Amica? That's a great company. Amica!
Yes, listen to that guy.
Does it look scary?
Well, why haven't we tried it? You haven't called us yet.
Amica.
Hey, buddy.
Now for your free, no obligation quote. Check us out online. Do a search on Facebook and Twitter.
It's okay.
You've been injured in a tax institution and fault of your own.
Don't go on.
It's on the way.
Don't go on, buddy.
See all provides superhero representation.
Don't go on.
Cover fair compensation for car accident claim. For prison law, 228-8110.
The plaintiff says the defendants are trying to withhold her
Oh, go
security
on.
for damage that was done by Sandy, the hurricane, and not the person.
Oh,
But
go on.
now it seems she wasn't telling the truth about the water damage. Let's listen.
I don't know if there was water on the carpet, but the streets were full of mud and debris and people in and out of
He's
my
literally
car.
above my head on the bed.
It got dirtier and it wasn't your fault. Right.
Still scared to
I
death.
didn't say it was dirty to begin
Okay,
with.
but you're saying it was a cat urine problem.
Where you going?
It's a very unmistakable. I've had cats. I'm a cat lover, and there's a very unmistakable scent to the cat urine.
I want you.
What you got there?
Well, what I have here is basically her rug. You can smell the urine. You can see the saturation of the urine as well. And I'm glad that I
Is it
see
just urine?
Well, probably feces as well.
Mama turned it off. You shouldn't be scared no more.
But the important part here is that
There's a shadow on the ceiling from the fan
the problem is,
that I think he thinks is something else, and it's scaring him. And it's hilarious.
our buildings were not affected by the storm. Because, Jesus loves me and he takes care of me. I didn't get any water.
Oh, well, lots of people were affected by the storm too. I hope. I mean, that's.
Well,
What did she have to evacuate? Was she in an evacuation zone?
everyone was evacuated from the whole town for like 3 months. They turned off the electric, the gas. No one was allowed in. So this is the bedroom rug.
Maybe it's okay.
Of the cats that she has. If it's one cat, I'm not really sure.
Oh, we're good. We're good. Roll it up. Roll it up. Roll it up.
Poo-poo never went out.
Poo-poo went poo-poo all over the carpet, sweetheart. And there's no just debating that.
Ow!
He has one. He peed all over the
Ow!
carpet. And he other stuff.
Hurt the mama.
He leaves food out on the other side under this truck.
Who
Well,
does?
obviously, Paul.
Is this urine on your
Go get your toy.
What does that have to do?
Get your toy. Go get your toy.
While this storm was going on, because
Get it.
Chris called me up and said, you better get your cat out of that apartment. Paul is going to get caught sneaking
Go
into
get it.
the side to feed it. And I was
Get your toy.
I have my cat with me. I took my cat with the storm.
What are you saying? Now that I smell the urine, it's not your urine? It's some other cat. That's not my cat that was in my bedroom. It's other cats that were in my bedroom. That's what you're testifying to now?
No,
Elena let other cats to pee all over the rug inside of your bedroom?
I just can't believe that's true.
Oh, can I just tell you, I can't believe I had to get on one knee and smell it. And you didn't just fess up. You know if your cat is peeing all over your rug. I mean, you should have a sense of smell. Let me see the pictures. You are now suing for $837 in a cleaning fee. What's that about?
Okay, here, this is a whole set of pictures that I took before I cleaned the apartment.
Who cleaned the apartment in the end? You?
Me and my mom cleaned the apartment.
What is that?
That's a stain on the carpet from cat feces.
Were you guys there?
Susan.
Okay, Susan is a witness. Susan, come on up, because I want to hear what you've got to say about that.
You're in suspense, we know. Will the judge give the plaintiff $658 for million rules of events?
Me and Bill agreed to go on a trip together. He was looking at crossbows. He wanted to hunt. He said, hey, I'll cover you.
He never
Get him.
told you you will have to pay me back. He thought he just loved your sparkling personality.
Get him.
If you've been hurt in a car accident, you have to act fast. Call me right now.
My case, he got me $75,000.
$15,000.
It starts with Spark. 1-800-SPARKS-LAW. It's an event that brings together
Get it, cat.
walkers, joggers, and elite runners. Join us for the CBS Health Downtown 5K Rep. See what makes this local race a world-class event. Meet some of the star athletes. Hear the inspirational stories of local teams. And see how this event helps so many local charities. The CBS Health Downtown 5K Rep. Monday, September 22nd at 7 on WPRI 12. Plus, get additional coverage on WPRI.com. Call me right now. It starts with Sparks.
Tom Sparks broke through the insurance company's wall and got me $450,000.
Call me. It starts with Sparks. Call 1-800-SPARKS-LAW.
Welcome back to the People's Court. RB11 here. So is it possible that you can have a cat that doesn't damage an apartment? What do you think?
It's possible if he's well trained.
Can you train a cat not to claw, not to urinate?
Yeah, you can train a cat.
I think so. What do you think?
I agree. I think that you feel like a scratchy post or some catnip.
Really? Okay. What do you think?
I think it is possible. I don't know if you can train a cat, but I think it's possible that it may not scratch a curtain or a couch.
More possible than I could play in the NBA?
It is possible. Muggsy Bogues played in the NBA.
Going inside the courtroom.
These are pictures that the landlord takes after she leaves, and it's disgusting. So what is, you're like chicken necking there about how unfair all this is, and I'm trying to figure it out. I don't know why you're doing that, because I have no idea how this could be defensible to leave a place looking like this.
Oh my God, you're killing me. Really? I'm going to turn it back on. Mama's going to turn it back on.
How could you have cleaned anything? Looking at it, it's disgusting. The building was mold. What did you clean?
This apartment was closed up for over 3 months.
Okay, that's fine. But you're testifying. So you don't understand. If you tell me, look, Jackie, we couldn't clean there because it was a wreck after the hurricane. Then he just testifies that's not true. This one wasn't hurricane affected. Whatever. But when I'm looking at grease, the hurricane did not deposit grease on the stove. And you could have cleaned that, and it had nothing to do with not being able to clean that. But you didn't clean that, and then you're telling me how unfair it is.
He said there was no water. When she took
You're
out
getting water to clean that?
if it was a normal circumstance, if I was renting an apartment and moving out.
All right. Why are you suing for an $837 cleaning fee when you didn't pay an $837 cleaning fee?
Well, when she had the audacity to try to get the $658 back, I said, well, now I think it's time for you to pay me for all the work. It took a week to clean the
Okay, now look at her. Look at me.
It took a week to clean this apartment to get it into a condition that I could start painting.
Did you claim hurricane damage to this apartment on your insurance?
No, there was no damage to that.
I cannot believe this fan is bothering me that much. It's been on all night, all day, and then all of a sudden you have a problem with it.
Disgusting filth that isn't hurricane damage. Okay?
There was no water.
Go get your toy. Get your toy. Go get it.
You know you signed a lease that said that everything that you
Where's your
got
toy?
was all inspected
Go get your toy.
and was in good condition,
Go
right?
get it.
That's what your lease that you signed says. Okay.
Can my brother give you a letter from,
See, we had a
person that comes in quarterly to spray all the apartments for bugs. And this person who works for this company wrote us a letter, and we had it,
About what, the condition of the apartment?
the way, the problem is the way the person keeps the apartment, you understand? Because in other words, the apartment didn't get that way because she was not there for a couple of months.
I service this address on a quarterly basis. It was difficult to service this apartment due to the stench of cat urine that was impregnated into the carpets and floors and the clutter in the apartment. The bathroom was covered with cat litter and cat feces.
Oh my goodness, Whiteboy.
From the cat litter box found in the bathroom.